In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com CRM 2025, designed especially for beginners looking to get started with this powerful tool. Whether you're new to customer relationship management systems or just need a refresher on Monday.com's latest features, we've got you covered. First, let's dive into creating a CRM board. After logging into your Monday.com account, you'll want to navigate to the top left corner and click on the plus new button. From there, select Board. You'll see a few options. Choose either a blank board to start from scratch or a CRM template if you want a guided setup with pre-filled columns and items. It's time to name your board and give it a purpose. Something like Sales CRM 2025 works well, but feel free to choose anything that suits your needs. Don't forget to set the privacy level of your board, whether private, shareable, or main, depending on who needs access to it. Now let's explore setting up the essential columns for your CRM. Columns are the backbone of your board where you'll track critical data and customer information. To add leads or contacts, click on plus add item. This action will create a new entry where you can fill in all relevant customer details across your columns. A time-saving tip here is to import your leads from a CSV or Excel file, ensuring you get up and running quickly. After setting up your columns, it's crucial to track deals as they progress through your sales pipeline. Utilize the status column to establish stages like new lead, contacted, demo scheduled, negotiation, and finally, won or lost. As the sales journey advances, you can easily drag and drop items between these stages, providing a dynamic and visual workflow. For a more in-depth analysis of your data, leverage different views. The Kanban or board view displays your deals as cards, making it simpler to visualize progress. Meanwhile, the table or list view offers a comprehensive look at all contacts and detailed information. Use the timeline view to manage follow-ups and deadlines, which you can view chronologically. Moreover, the dashboard feature is excellent for tracking metrics such as deal value, conversion rates, and overall team performance. Automation is key for reducing manual tasks and increasing efficiency in your CRM processes. Set up automation rules to notify a sales representative when a lead progresses to a new stage, remind you of follow-up dates, automatically assign items to team members, or adjust statuses based on changes in other columns. These automated workflows keep your focus on strategic tasks while leaving the repetitive ones to the system. Finally, communication and collaboration within your team are crucial. The updates section of each item serves as a space for internal notes, where you can mention teammates to assign tasks or ask questions. Attach important files like contracts, proposals, or emails to these items for easy access and reference. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Monday.com CRM 2025, enhancing your customer relationship management capabilities. Thank you for watching, and happy CRM.